Our next giveaway here before the break, but let's get this next match going. So RamBros is only 21 years old, Tom.
Wow.
Yeah. And he's in here in this World Championship trying to fight his way to the finals. He definitely had to fight in that last one. That was a tricky part. That Singolo.
Yeah.
Singolo. Dan in the chat. Dan Combs in the chat says, "You got this, Dom. She shall be clever. She shall be clever." That's pretty clever. Yeah. Says, "You got this, Dom." TJ Proke says, "Shake it off, Dom." Got some Dom fans in the chat.
Yeah, everybody likes Dom.
Tom in the commentary booth says, "Go RamBros." Deciding match for me. Go RamBros. Crushed it on that last one, bro. Here we go. Number 6, RamBros, playing from India using Fusion 360, going up against our number 10 seed, Dom, playing from the United States using SolidWorks. This CAD vs. CAD battle begins in 3, 2, 1, go! What is the mass of this part in XXX grams? Tolerance is plus or minus 1 gram. The default inside bend radius is 6. The default wall thickness is 6. MMGS, plain carbon steel. Tom, how would you go about modeling a part like this?
I mean, there's like a million different ways you can go to start. I don't know.
Let's see how our runners decide to start this thing. Let's see. Looks like they've both grabbed a screen capture. Dom is already in there. He may be feeling like he's in his element a little bit here with this being a sheet metal part.
Oh, yeah.
But of course, it doesn't have to be sheet metal. Paul in the chat said, "Do you ever get anyone using Rhino to compete?" We've had some more exotic Rhino 3D runners. We had, I'm trying to think if that guy was using Rhino or something else. We definitely have had some Rhino. You can take a look at totaltoby.com/leaderboard, and you can see a lot of the different CAD systems that are used in these runs. So Dom using a trick that I mentioned in a recent video that I made where he's offsetting his entities to try to make the dimensioning a little bit easier.
Okay. Yeah, that's a great move.
Yeah, I like that move. We saw it a little earlier too with Great Nate and Chris Pico.
Yeah.
I am so cold. Is it cold in here? Is that fire turned up?
You turn that fire
Yeah, we got to turn that fire up.
Yeah. You could, please. Turkey, please. Couple.
So it looks like on the left we got Dom, and Dom is going through and creating this using... Oh, interesting.
Wow.
Interesting approach here. It looks like he decided to launch his sheet metal extruder. Oh, but he's pivoting. Looks like he might be pivoting here.
Wow.
Maybe pivoting over to using a solid feature.
Interesting.
Legit. I mean, you saw there's a note on the print that says model may be created using sheet metal features or created using thin/solid features. So you can go either way.
Yeah.
It's on the print.
I'm noticing that this is an L bracket. So is this a Spanish bracket?
Yes, El bracket.
El bracket.
Yeah, I should have said El braquito.
El braquito.
Yes.
This is a hard one. This seems very difficult.
Oh, I like this. So Dom is deciding, I'm going to create the main shape using solid features. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to convert that main shape to a sheet metal shape.
Okay.
And I guess that what he's thinking is that will make it a little easier for him to create flanges coming off of it. And yet, once again, we see him pivoting. And now he's decided to go back and create that feature using not a sheet metal feature, but instead using sketches and solid features. What a wizard.
Yeah. You know, like we said before, you guys sometimes you just have to take a step back, think about your options, take a breath, and then go about it.
It's exactly it. It's exactly like what we said before.
Exactly what we said before.
Yeah. Oh no!
Oh,
SolidWorks 2023 has encountered an error and crashed.
You definitely
Don't forget to fill out your report and send that report to SolidWorks. Oh no! And there, Philo Mathis in the chat said, "Can you give a live breakdown of the pros and cons of SolidWorks versus Onshape?" Well, that's definitely one of them, since Onshape runs entirely in the browser. Wow. Okay, it's not over, but he certainly opened the door for RamBros there. Full crash, full restart.
Wow.
John saying, "Boo, SolidWorks."
Yeah, that's brutal.
Dang, that is brutal. It is. Yeah, exactly. Tom in the audience says we're going to see the fastest modeling ever now because he knows all the numbers.
Again, another thing that could have been mitigated by using a solid box.
A great point, Tom. Yeah, a great point.
Thank you.
This is another reason why you want to hook up with those guys at Solid Box.
Yep.
Wow. He's really moving through this thing. Good song.
Yeah.
Dan Combs says, "Dom will recover. Zero doubt."
Yeah, I have a feeling that he's going to come back.
I don't know if we've seen a crash before in the finals. Yeah. Good question from Tom Smith in the audience. And we see RamBros on the left here trying to get that lower tab into place.
This is some fast modeling.
Aaron C in the chat says, "I love hooking up with the guys at Solid Box." Okay. Thank you. Good. Scott Evans says, "Click save before it crashes again." Ty says, "If Dom wins this, he'll be a highlight of the tournament." Yes.
Yeah.
I got to go check something in my office real quick.
Okay.
You want to check something in your office too?
Moving right along here. Super speedy keys, indeed. Yeah, really moving along. There is an autosave, but it probably 15 or 20 minutes and not 3. Ouch, indeed.
Yeah, green shirt guy.
Green shirt guy, that's me.
He's here in the commentary booth with us. What'd I miss? Dom looks like he's pretty caught up.
Yeah.
Oh, but look at RamBros, man. He's got that lower tab. He's got the flange going to it.
Uh-oh.
Got it mirrored. Okay, and RamBros coming in with an answer. 500 grams on the nose. And guys, for the first time in Too Tall Toby World Championship of Speed Modeling history, we got ourselves a Fusion 360 user in the finals. That is correct. 500 grams is correct. Congratulations to RamBros. Really tough break there to Dom. Wow, guys. Really hard fought battle, though. I think it's fair to say that RamBros really won that in the second model. This model of the Singlo was really the defining moment there. But brutal, brutal restart for Dom. Man.
Yeah.
Dom, great job. And RamBros, great job. And Crispy Co, great job. And Great Nate 08, great job. Awesome battle so far. Guys, we're going to take a short intermission. We are going to come back after the intermission. We're going to do some more